So you need to draw this on your paper. Draw an empty graduated cylinder. Make your drawing big enough that you can draw what goes inside the cylinder and label it. You're going to need to be able to draw what I put in here and label them. Just a note, don't color in your drawings, okay? Don't color in the layers that you see. Then I'm going to put some other objects in there at the end, and you're not going to be able to figure out where they go. So the first liquid, we're comparing liquid density. The first liquid I'm pouring into the graduated cylinder is called corn syrup. Anybody heard of this? Mm-hmm. You have, I know you have, high fructose corn syrup. That's what this is. Okay? First layer. I hope you all realize where this is going to go. Where's it going to go?
Bottom.
The bottom. So on your paper, draw a layer of corn syrup. It's this clear stuff on the bottom. Don't color it in, because you're going to have other things that go in here later. Landon? Okay. Label it corn syrup. Corn syrup is spelled C-O-R-N-S-Y-R-U-P. Make sure you have a label so you know what the liquid was. The next liquid is this water. It has red food coloring in it to make it easier to see. Where do you think it's going to go? On top? Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes?
The corn syrup will go on top because it is possibly lighter than the water.
Okay, let's find out. What happened? Draw it on your paper. The red water is sitting on top of the corn syrup. Can you see in the back? Okay, next liquid is vegetable oil. You find that you use it for cooking or you put it in salad dressing. Where's that going to go?
It might go under the red water.
But on top of the corn syrup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me and my mom did this experiment, and we were making breakfast, and the water was lighter than the vegetable oil.
Okay. Let's find out if she's right. So where did it go? On top of the colored water. Draw another layer. Label it veggie oil. Good. Our second to last liquid is rubbing alcohol. You buy rubbing alcohol at CVS or Rite Aid for cleaning out cuts, like an antiseptic. What do you think will happen to the rubbing alcohol?
It'll go under the corn, the vegetable oil.
Under the veggie oil, okay. What do you say? On top? Let's find out. Let me put some more in. So where is it? Rubbing alcohol is on top of the veggie oil. Good. One last item. 1 drop of blue food coloring. Where do you think it's going to go? Hannah? On top of everything? All right, let's find out. Gavin, did it go on top?
No.
Nope. Draw your food coloring. It went on top of the veggie oil but under the rubbing alcohol. And some of it mixed in with the rubbing alcohol. Now what do you think would happen if I added some solid objects to this? I've got 4 solid objects I want to add. One of them is made of metal. This is a brass weight. One of them is made of glass. This is a marble. One of them is made of plastic. This is a Lego. And one of them is made of cork, because it's a cork. Cork is what you use to make bulletin boards. Okay, we'll start with the brass weight. Where do you think this will end up?
At the water.
At the water. So, right here, where it's red?
Yeah.
Okay, let's find out. Where is it? Morgan? All the way at the bottom. Draw the weight, put it at the bottom, and label it. The next one is the marble.
No, it's a brass.
Yes, this is the one that's in there already is a brass weight. This one is a glass marble. What are you thinking? Red? Okay, let's find out. Also on the bottom. And notice, dropping those 2 objects in there has mixed the food coloring in with the rubbing alcohol now. Alright, next one's a plastic Lego. Hang on.
Float.
The very top, you mean? Okay, let's find out. Can you see it?
Is that the red?
It's floating in the water, but not down below the water. It's floating right on top of the water. Draw it in your picture and label it Lego. And one last item, the cork. Corn syrup? Okay, let's find out. This one floats all the way on the top. Cork, C-O-R-K. Good. So which item had the highest density? Which solid object that I put in there had the highest density? Gavin.
Wait, how come when you dropped it, all of the liquids didn't just mix together?
Because they have different densities. So if the liquids don't normally mix, then they'll stay one layer on top of the other. If you take a bottle of salad dressing and shake it up, and then sit it down and watch it for a few minutes, the oil in the water will separate again. Okay? Which item, which solid item had the least density?
The cork.
The cork. Very good. Okay, we're going to move on. Thank you very much.